my channel, it's InDiva here, and in this video I will be talking about how I achieve this makeup look. And yes, you can consider this video as a natural makeup look or the nude makeup look. You can see that this is very nude, you can see that. And yes, if you want to know that how I achieve this makeup look and what are the products I use, so please keep on watching this video till end. And yes, before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, then there is a bell icon just near to subscribe. So yes, now let's get started. So we are going to start with some skin prep, and I am using a facial oil to make my skin hydrated. And here I am taking few drops of oil, and with very light hands I am going to massage on my face. And if you don't have facial oil, then you can go with any of the moisturizer that you are having, and here is only the purpose to make your skin hydrated. And now I am taking primer, and firstly I am taking small amount on my fingers. And now with very light hands I am gonna apply only on my T-zone area, and the purpose of this primer that it reduces large pores. And now moving to next step, that is foundation, and firstly I am taking 2 or 3 pumps of foundation on my backhand. And as I always do, like firstly I am taking foundation on my finger and apply all over my face in the form of dot, so that it will equally spread all over my face. And now I'm gonna take beauty blender to blend the foundation. And one mistake you could do here is that to make beauty blender dry. Never make beauty blender dry, because it's gonna soak all the beauty products. And another mistake you could do here is that to blend foundation very harshly, or you can say very roughly. So as you can see that I am holding beauty blender with very light hands, and so that it will help me to blend the foundation very easily. If you are beginner, then I suggest you to blend the foundation with the help of beauty blender rather than using foundation brush, because foundation brush gives you a patchy foundation finishing. And as you can see that how nicely it blended my foundation. And now I'm taking concealer, and I'm gonna apply on my eye area. And now I'm taking same beauty blender to blend the concealer on my eyes with very light hands. Here I am taking loose powder, that is from Revolution, and with the help of a brush I am gonna apply all over my face to set the foundation. And this is the important step, like I have applied the concealer and foundation. To set both of these I am gonna apply the loose powder to avoid crackiness of foundation and concealer. And here I am taking brow definer, that is from Sugar, and as you can see that it has 2 ends, and one end contains a pulley. With the help of pulley you can comb your eyebrows, and second end has a pencil. With the help of that pencil you can fill your eyebrows. So now with the help of pulley, I'm gonna comb my eyebrows, and after finishing combing, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows with the help of this definer. And as you can see that it gives very natural finishing. And if you are searching for a brow definer, then definitely I will suggest this definer. This is super natural. And here I am taking eyeliner, that is from Beauty. And I must say that this is my favorite eyeliner because it contains a long stick and a tiny brush that helps me to create a perfect eyeliner. And now I am taking white kajal, that is from Wet n Wild. And now I am going to apply on my waterline, and if you don't have white color then you can also go for black kajal. And I have mentioned some product details in my description box also, like white liner, foundation and some more other products also. Like if you want to buy this online, you can have the link from there. And now I'm taking lipstick, that is from Nykaa, and the code of this lipstick is Kashi 19. And before applying liquid lipstick, this is the first step, that you have to make your lips hydrated first, and after that apply the lipstick. And I'm taking a little lipstick on my backhand, and after that I'm applying with the help of brush on my lips. And lip balm is very important if you are going for liquid lipstick, because if you don't apply lip balm, it makes your lips very cracky and it will not stay for long. And now I'm taking contour stick, that is from Nykaa, and I'm gonna contour my face. Firstly I'm gonna contour my cheeks, after that my forehead and my nose. And here I'm taking concealer, that is from Beauty, and I'm gonna highlight some of points like top of my nose and my forehead and my chin. As all these products are in creamy form, so I prefer to blend all these products with the help of beauty blender, and you can see that how nicely it is blending. And now I'm taking the same beauty blender to blend all the creamy products that I have applied, because I always do prefer to blend the creamy products with the help of beauty blender for the fine finishing. And if you are a beginner, then I must suggest you to go for beauty blender to blend all the creamy products, because there are different kind of brushes, like for the foundation and for contouring there are different kinds of brushes, and to make the things easier, go for the beauty blender, and it also gives a very natural finishing. In this video I forgot to show that which beauty blender I am using, because there are different kinds of beauty blender. So in next video I will keep in mind and show the beauty blender which I am using. And I am using the same beauty blender to contour my nose also. So if you are able to see, you can see that there is a half cut on the top of the blender. So with the help of that cut, I am gonna contour my nose. And contouring is also very important because it enhances your features. Like you can see my nose, now it looks more sharp and pointed. And now I'm taking highlighter that is from Maybelline, and I'm gonna apply this highlighter with the help of fan brush. And with the help of this brush I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones, and you can see that how easily I'm applying highlighter. And I don't prefer to apply highlighter with the help of my fingers, so always do apply highlighter with the help of fan brush. And now I'm highlighting the second side also, and after this I will highlight my nose and a little bit my chin also. And now I'm changing my brush. I'm taking small brush, and with the help of this I'm gonna highlight my inner corners of eyes. And this is called perfect nude makeup look. And if you like this look, please let me know in my comment section. So yes guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Yes, keep supporting my channel and do watching my videos. Bye bye.